So, how many of us have this nice but fragile IKEA Storm Lamp being broken somewhere in the house? I know I do, and in this video I'm gonna inspire you on how to upcycle it to a nice lamp for cheap or no cost at all. The items you need is an old IKEA Storm that you can't use anymore and some sort of a lampshade. I will use this really old IKEA orgel shade, but you can use any shade you want. Many home stores are selling shades for as low as $1, same but bigger than the one that I've got here, and you might find a few on IKEA's discount sector as well. So to start molding, we need to remove everything. We just want the base and the ring that screws around the socket. To this point, it is just a bare-bone light base waiting to get a shade. We should now proceed accordingly installing our shade. Normal cone shade should be a straight drop-in, but you have to cut the ring so to fit. For the IKEA orgel, I needed to do some more hacking to support it upside down, as I've lost the supporting wires. And there you have it, drop an LED bulb in it and a broken IKEA Storm has just turned to an amazing light. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to comment, rate and subscribe.